Alright friends, now we are going to learn how to delete a file in Java programming. To do this, we will use the file class again. So I will create a file object text.txt I already created, and I will then try to delete it. So we will delete the file using delete method. So the method is defined in the file class. So we just call it in our file object. So let's change it. I say my file.delete. When we run delete, if the file is successfully deleted, it returns true. So I come here, I come over. You see it returns true if and only if the file or directory is successfully deleted. So if I delete it successfully, it will enter inside the if block. So if it is not successful, it will enter inside the else block. So I can give my message. I can say file deleted, and if I am not successful, I can say file could not be deleted. I can say it. So I have text.txt. So let's run my code. I run my code. I run it. So you see file deleted appears on the screen. I'm checking, yes, I successfully deleted my file. Super.